Namaskar friends, welcome to E-Spirit World channel. Venus is referred to as Shukra in Sanskrit. As per the traditional beliefs, Shukra, also known as Shukracharya, was one of the greatest and most learned sages of all times. A great devotee of Lord Shiva, Shukracharya performed intense penance and austerities to please him, and in the end, he was blessed with Lord Shiva's Sanjeevani mantra that had the power to bring the dead back to life. From the perspective of astrology, Shukra is a planet. It is one the most influential planets that cast an impact on people's natal charts. Therefore, it is important to please Shukra to ward off the planet's negative effects. Friday is a day dedicated to Goddess Lakshmi as well as the other feminine forces. It is also an ideal day to chant mantra dedicated to Shukra. In this video, see to know the benefits of the Shukra Bij mantra to lessen the adverse effects of the planet on the horoscope. Shukra Bij mantra. Dram Drem Drom Saha Shukraye Namaha. Listen this mantra again. Dram Drem Drom Saha Shukraye Namaha. As the name suggests, this mantra is a compilation of a few words that are endowed with spiritual powers. Such mantra are called Bij mantra because they are believed to be like seeds that are enriched with the powers of the divine forces. Benefits of chanting the Shukra Bij mantra. One can reduce the negative effects of the planetary position in the horoscope by chanting this mantra. Shukra influences the materialistic, physical, and marital life of a person. Therefore, regular chanting of this mantra wards off negativities from these aspects of life. This planet is directly associated with luxuries, comforts, marriage, passion, talent, creativity, etc. Therefore, by chanting this mantra, one can reap these benefits. Shukra also represents knowledge and learning. Therefore, those who wish to gain knowledge and initiate new learning may chant this mantra. Since Shukra is associated with Tamasika Guna, one can seek his blessings to attain worldly comfort and luxuries. Shukra personifies determination, power, and bravery. Therefore, one can overcome their negative traits by the regular chanting of this mantra. Shukracharya, a devotee of Lord Shiva, was blessed with the Sanjeevani mantra. Hence, one may chant this mantra for good health. The chanting of this mantra with unconditional faith in the divine and sincere devotion works wonders. Humbly surrender before the powers that govern the universe to feel the difference. So friends, hope you will like this information. Write in the comment box and do not forget to share. Then we'll meet in the next video with a new topic. Thank you and goodbye.